Want to create a personalized digital version of yourself on your Galaxy S26? Hello everyone and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. In this video, you'll learn how to create, customize, and use Galaxy Avatar for stickers, profile pictures, videos, and more, making your Samsung experience a lot more fun and personal. So let's get started. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the Apps tray, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Next, tap Galaxy Avatar. If this is your first time using Galaxy Avatar, you may be prompted to grant the necessary permissions. You can also manage these permissions anytime by tapping the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, then selecting Settings. Tap Permissions, then Review and allow access to the camera, microphone, photos and videos, and location if needed. Once you've finished setting up permissions, return to the main Galaxy Avatar screen. If you'd like easier access to the feature, turn on the switch for Show Galaxy Avatar on Apps screen. Otherwise, leave it off. Now let's create a new avatar. Tap the plus icon in the Create New Avatar section. You'll be given two options, Create Avatar with Camera or Create Avatar from Image. Choose whichever method you prefer, then follow the on-screen instructions. You can also start with one of the preset avatars. For this tutorial, we'll use that option. Tap the check icon below the preset avatar you want to use. Wait while Galaxy Avatar loads the facial features and customization tools. Once everything is ready, you'll see a variety of options for customizing your avatar's appearance, including facial features, hairstyle, clothing, accessories, and more. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview to help you fine-tune the look. Keep in mind that some outfits and accessories may require a purchase. For this guide, we'll stick with the free options, so leave the ones that have price beneath them. When you're satisfied with your avatar, tap Save in the upper right corner. Your avatar will be saved and can be used across supported Samsung apps and services, including your contacts profile. You may also have the option to sync your avatar with your Samsung account so it can be available across compatible Samsung services and devices. On the avatar preview screen, tap the three-dot menu if you want to duplicate or delete your avatar. If you'd like to make changes later, tap Edit beneath the avatar preview. Use the customization tools to update your avatar's appearance, then tap Save when you're finished. Next, let's look at some of the features available for your new avatar. Tap Avatar Stickers to browse sticker packs generated from your avatar. From here, you can save stickers to your gallery, use them as a profile picture, or share them through messages and other supported apps. You can also download additional sticker packs if available. Next, tap Avatar Camera to use your avatar with the camera and experiment with available avatar effects. If you'd like more wardrobe options, tap Clothes Designer and browse the available outfits and styles. You can also create customized profile pictures and contact cards using your avatar. Simply tap Create Profile Pics and Cards, then follow the on-screen instructions to create and save your preferred image or video profile. Another fun option is Create an Avatar Video. Tap it to create animated videos featuring your avatar. Follow the prompts to choose a template, customize the video, and preview the final result. Once finished, you can save the video, share it with others, or use it on supported screens such as your lock screen, call background, or alarm screen. Feel free to explore all of the available tools and customization options until your avatar looks exactly the way you want. And that's all there is to setting up and using Galaxy Avatar on the Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. Also check out our other Galaxy S26 tutorials to discover more useful features and customization tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.